Look at this guy. He's not even wearing a denim shirt. What lies are you spinning, pal? Online broadcaster, something a lot better. Hey everyone, Sebastian here from Atmoseeker, your place for props, terrain, and creating an inspiring atmosphere for your tabletop role-playing games. In this episode of Atmoseeker, I'm going to have a look at an online tool for broadcasting audio at music quality, ambience and atmosphere sound to your players who are joining in online. It's called Cleanfeed, and it's an interface that you can access through the web and sign up for free and broadcast it pretty easily. So let's take a look. So this is the website. It's called cleanfeed.net. It's free to make an account, and you just log in, and then you'll see a list of all the different audio devices connected to the session. For me, the Dungeon Master, I'm just going to use the microphone input to connect to a virtual audio cable. To change what audio device it's connected to, you just hit the cog and then select your audio device from a list of suggested devices. If you want to learn more about the virtual audio cable setup, there is a video on the channel that goes through what to download to set that up. Basically, it takes whatever programs or audio input that you have on your computer, and you can tell it to route to a specific target output. For instance here, the virtual audio cable. Once that's set up, you can set the audio quality that it's going to come out. You can change it for different bit rates, and for this instance, I'm just going to leave it as music optimized, just because it's going to pick up a lot of those lower ambiances and nice quality music. To connect the player to the session, just click the connect button, and you want to hit this advanced checkbox here. That'll allow you to share a link yourself. And you can put whatever name in here. We're just going to use Gundren for now, and then hit invite. That'll generate a random link that'll be good for 24 hours. Hit copy and then message it to your friend. I'm just going to paste it here and hit start on the session to connect. And you might want to ask your players to mute their microphones in here, just so it doesn't double up with any other messaging apps like Zoom or Discord that you might be using. And then that's it. They're just piped into the audio that you're broadcasting through your virtual audio cable through Cleanfeed, and you can see that everyone's connected on your main studio page. What I like most about this method is that it's free and it's very responsive, and it's very good high quality audio coming through. I've noticed even with the instant sound effects I've been able to play, like large stone doors or monsters making loud roars or something, it's really instantaneous feedback for players connecting online. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow. And if you want to join the discussion of future topics or any kind of other atmospheric techniques, drop some comments below or join the Facebook group at atmoseeker.com. Hopefully you found this video useful in creating some ambient atmosphere and music for your online games. I know how important it can be. Until next time, I'm Sebastian, and let's create and inspire. See you then.